Okay, good morning, children. Today we'll be talking about how to solve different kinds of questions from the sets. As हामी sets को केही different questions को बारेमा solve कसरी गर्छौं त्यसको बारेमा पढ्छौं. So I have already teach you about some different kinds of questions, some basic kinds of questions from sets. So today we'll be learning something advanced than we have learned yesterday. Okay. So you can see here I have written one question there. Then I have written something note for you. So which is very important note for you. So before you complete this, before you solve this, you need to know about these things. Okay. So पहिला म हजुरहरुलाई क्वेशन पढ्छु अनि यो नोटको बारेमा अलिकति ज्ञान दिन्छु है. So A and B are the subsets of a universal set known as U. Means A and B चाहिँ subsets रहेछन् एकअर्काको universal set को चाहिँ A र B चाहिँ के रहेछ subsets भनेको त्यसको sets रहेछन्. If number of U यानी कि universal set number of U is equals to 50, then number of A is equals to 30, number of N भनेको number of है. So number of B equals to 20 and number of A union B is equals to 45. So we need to find out A intersection B, yeah, and number of A only and number of B only हामीलाई find out गर्नु छ. यो O भनेको चाहिँ only, number of A only कति रहेछ, number of B only कति रहेछ, we need to find out. Then after also illustrate the information in Venn diagram भनेको छ. We have to represent this information into Venn diagram also, which I have already teased you, right? So before we do that, let me tell you about this note. In note मा चाहिँ मैले के लेखेको छु भन्दाखेरि I have written some formulas here to find out the following things है. जस्तै number of A union B equals to, यदि तपाईलाई क्वेशन्सले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु भनेको छ A intersection B अथवा number of A number of B यसरी फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु भनेको छ भने चाहिँ हामी जहिले पनि यो फर्मुलाको बेसमा जान्छौं. This is most important formula for these sets. So please try to copy this formula in your mind. So the formula will be number of A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So your formula हजुरले याद गर्नुभयो भने these kinds of questions can be easily solved. Okay. So अर्को हामीलाई क्वेशन्सले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु छ number of A only and number of B only भनेको छ. So to find out number of A only and B only we have to subtract with intersection always. So हामीले जहिले पनि number of A only र number of B only निकाल्नु छ भने चाहिँ सरी त्यही लेखेको छ. हामी के युज गर्छौं number of A intersection B अथवा intersection सम्म चाहिँ हामी subtraction गरेपछि मात्रै number of A only र B only हामी find out गर्न सक्छौं. ठीक छ? Okay, now let's start here. So before we start, we should always return the given things from the question. So here हामीलाई questions के दिएको छ हेरौं. If n number of U equals to 50 भनेको छ, that means number of U is 50. अरु हामीलाई क्वेशन्सले के दिएको छ number of A. So let me write here number of A equals to 30. Then after number of B equals to 20 and number of A union B equals to 45. These are the things that question has given to us, so that we can find out A intersection B and number of A only and number of B only from the given things. Okay. So now I number मा हामीलाई सोधेको छ number of A intersection B is equals to what? Is that okay, children? Now we'll be using the formula of this one. As I told you, number of A union B दिएको छ, number of A दिएको छ, number of B दिएको छ, number of A intersection B निकाल्नु छ. भनेपछि हामीले यो फर्मुला युज गर्नुपर्ने छ भने इजिली थाहा भयो. So we'll be using the formula. Now number हजुरले नाउको ठाउँमा we know that लेख्नु भए पनि हुन्छ है. A union B is equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Formula is very easy. Number of A union B equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Okay. So अब यहाँ number of A union B हामीले दिएको छ क्वेशन्सले is that number of A union B. So instead of that can we use that 45? Yes. So number of A union B को ठाउँमा म 45 लेख्छु because they both means same thing. So instead of A union B I am going to write here 45. Instead of number A I am going to write 30 because number of A means 30. So instead of number B I am going to write 20 because number of B means 20. And minus number of A intersection B we don't have because that is the things that we need to find out. So it's gonna written as it is because we have to find out number of A intersection B. That's why we'll be writing as it is. Okay. Okay. So you can see here. It looks like equations now. So 30 plus 20 means how much? 40, 50. Yes. Minus number of A intersection B. I'm gonna keep this 50 to the next side, and in front of 50 there is always a hidden plus, so it changes when it comes to the another side of the equals to अर्को साइडमा आउने बित्तिकै it changes the sign and it becomes minus, and we have here minus and A intersection B. So you can see here we cannot subtract 45 with 50, but we can subtract 50 with 45. So let's subtract 45, it becomes 5. Minus 50 is bigger than plus 45, so we'll be using minus 5 here because 45 बाट 50 घट्दैन, सानोबाट ठुलो घटाउँदा जहिले आन्सर माइनसमा आउँछ. यस, यता छ माइनस and A intersection B. Last time I have teased you in equations also, if there is a minus on both sides we can cut it and make it a plus. So therefore number of A intersection B is equals to 5. That's how we find out A intersection B. So number of A intersection B भने कति रहेछ त? 5 रहेछ. We just have find out. That's how we complete by using these kinds of formulas. Now it's not complete yet because we only have find out this one. That now we need to find out number of A only and number of B only. So for that I have written questions here. So please look at me carefully. Okay. Yes. So let me find out the question number 2, which is what? Number of A only. Number of A only. How do we find out that? We have to subtract with intersection, right? So number of A will be subtract with number of A intersection B. अब यो साथै A र B नै हुन्छ भन्ने छैन है. कहिलेकाहीँ क्वेशन्सले नम्बर अफ A को ठाउँमा नम्बर अफ B देला, नम्बर अफ B को ठाउँमा नम्बर अफ C देला. So if there is number of C and D, we'll be using here number of C union D, number of C plus number of D minus number of C intersection D. So हामीलाई क्वेशन्सले जे दिएको छ यो अल्फाबेट्समा चाहिँ त्यही हुन्छ, but sign and the rest of others are same thing. Okay. So let me find out number of A only. Number of A हाम्रो कति छ? क्वेशन्सले दिएको होला 30. So let me keep here 30. अब number of A intersection B we just have find out, which is 5 here. You can see there. So let's subtract it. So 30 minus 5 is 25. So therefore number of A only is 25. Right? So we still need to find out question number 3. Number of B only, so for that we will be subtracting with number of B. Number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of B is how much? It's 20 from the equations. Minus number of intersection B is 5. We just have find out. Subtracting with that, we'll get 50. So therefore number of B is equals to 15. So that's how we find out number of A only, number of B only, and A intersection B from the following questions. So if you have a related questions like this, try to complete all of them from exercise book. अब हामीले questions ले भनेको छ illustrate them in a Venn diagram भनेको छ. So I do not have much space, so I'm going to make it here. म यहाँ सानो Venn diagram बनाउँदै छु, तपाईहरुले पनि बनाउने. We have A union B, so let's keep that is for A, and that is for B. And while making circle sets, you need to remember it must be very clean and you should use a pencils here. So intersection is we have 5, right? And number of A only and number of B only कति आएको छ हाम्रो हेर्नुस् त अहिले भर्खर हामीले कति फाइन्ड आउट गर्यौं number of A only it's a 25 and number of B only is 15. So अब हेर्नुस् त हाम्रो 25 भयो 5 by 15 भयो अब हाम्रो A युनियन B कति होला त 5 होला किन होला सोच्नुस् त बिकज हाम्रो A युनियन B भनेको थियो 45 राइट त्यसैले हाम्रो बाँकी रहेको छ 5 त्यही भएर A युनियन B मा चाहिँ हाम्रो गयो युनियनमा चाहिँ गयो हाम्रो 5 बिकज युनियन भनेको 50 थियो जस्तै युनियन भनेको 50 हो सो 25 plus 5 is 30 30 plus 10 40 plus 5 45 अब 45 पुग्यो त हामीलाई हाम्रो युनियन भन्छ ओभरअल हाम्रो कति हुनु पर्यो 50 हुनु पर्यो त्यही भएर बाँकी रहेको जति नम्बर हुन्छ हामी त्यसलाई चाहिँ युनियनमा युज गर्छौं अनि हामी भेन डायग्राम यसरी रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छौं सो आई रिप्रेजेन्ट इन भेन डायग्राम आई हैव सल्भ A number B number C number and I have used the notes also, so please make a notes in a copy, try to solve these kinds of questions from your exercise book. Okay, so this much for children today. If there is any confusion regarding this chapter, we will be concerning in our coming classes. Thank you.